Hi everyone! Good morning! So it's already 5 in the morning. Another trip na naman tayo dito sa Melbourne. So saan tayo today? So this is the last trip na binook natin from the Klook. So we are going to Mount Buller. So since it's a winter here in Melbourne, so we decided na trip doon sa Mount Buller kasi doon natin may experience usually yung snow activities. So, kaya ako usually nakapang balot na winter jacket and winter outfit kasi mag-winter or snow activity tayo for today. Ayun. Sana mag-enjoy tayo for today's video. Malasap natin ng Mount Buller. Siguro malayo yun kaya bakit 5:30 in the morning. And then, ayun. Tsaka tayo aura sa Mount Buller. Bye! Hello guys! So for now, we are here dito sa parang store nila na pwede kang mag-rent usually ng mga pang ski equipment and also yung mga activities na gears tulad nito. So meron sila usually ng mga pang snow walking boots, meron din sila mga pants and jackets na usually tinatry natin eh. Ayan, kasi sobrang lamig daw dun ngayon guys. For guys, ito yung usually na kailangan i-rentahan natin. So, ibig sabihin, meron siyang rental fee. Meron silang mga binibigay ng mga packages. Doon kasi yung rental fee na ito, hindi siya usually kasama doon sa package natin na kinuha ka. Guys, we are good to go. So, nakapag-rent na rin tayo sa wakas. So, I'm so excited for the Mount Buller kasi this is the at least second time ko na yata na maka-experience ng snow kasi last time yung nagpunta tayo sa Beijing, China, it's also a winter season. So, na-try natin somehow kahit paano yung snow doon.
The resort gates to the village usually takes around 20 to 30 minutes depending on traffic, weather and road conditions. As we
Yes! We made it here sa Mount Buller. Guys, this is my first experience dito sa ganitong klaseng snow. So, I am really so happy. Alam mo, we are very lucky now that we have this snow falling here. Kasi not all the time. Talagang ramdam ko guys yung lamig. Buti na lang we also rent yung snow gears nila. Even though na medyo mahal siya and not included from the package. But at least, diba, we get a chance na maka-experience at ma-try yung mga ganitong klase activities dito sa Mount Buller. So, I'm kinda excited, guys, na sana makapagpa-picture tayo and makapag-video at least for the YouTube para naman kahit papano is ma-share ko sa inyo. So, yun, guys. Meron tayong shuttle na going to the village itself. So, see you later. We are now entering here sa mismong resort ng Mount Buller. Wow, a lot of visitors are hanging around here, guys. So amazing! Usually, yung mga ganitong klaseng experience, kasi nga wala nga tayong ganitong season sa Pilipinas. So it's very a tropical country that we have here sa Pilipinas. So that is why, pag mga ganitong snow, mga ganitong klaseng experience, talaga game na game tayo dito. Kasi yun guys, so tingnan nyo. So guys, sa wakas, nandito na rin tayo sa Mount Buller. Yan. We are ready na meron tayong mga pang winter gears. I'm such an honor, like an honor student, na talagang ma-experience natin ng snow. So I'm looking forward na maging mas maganda pa yung experience natin dito. Ito yung literal na let it snow, let it go, can't hold it back anymore, let it go, let it go, on the way to stand at door, and I don't care what they're going to share, Let the storm rage on. The storm never bother me. Babe. Woo! Alam nyo ba guys, parang ako lang yata normally yung mga turista na usually parang mas more on a video and picture lang dito sa Mount Buller. Mo picture sila para sila mag-skiing dyan. So kanina, parang yung sabi ng tour guide, -7 yung degree dito sa Mount Buller. So ngayon parang nasa -10 na yan. So ganun siya kalamig. Ramdam mo talaga yung experience na sobrang lamig dito. Pero at least, we are here to experience it. So, I'm just so happy lang. Experience ang buong. Which is already enough for me for the day. Kasi ito usually talaga pinaka main highlight ng ating tour for now. Guys, try natin sumakay dito. Trip Express na parang chairlift going up. And then, pagbaba mo, dun ka mag-ski pag nandun ka sa taas. So, dadalhin ka ng mga chairlift na yan, usually doon sa taas. Tapos snowboarding ka or mag-ski ka pababa. Diyan na yung araw. Kanina guys, umuulan. Meron kang ski. Siguro kung gusto natin magstay dito for the whole day, kung mag-overnight, meron silang mga for accommodation dito. Yung sinasabi ko sa likod ko, yung mga parang resort nila dito or apartments. So, from the Philippine peso, it's sobrang mahal. It costs around like $2,000 to $3,000. Ay, 2,000 to 3,000 pesos. Pero at least, di ba, we are protected. And at least, we are safe. Kasi meron tayong full gear of winter. We have a lots of time here sa Mount Buller and wala naman tayong masyadong mga winter activities na gagawin. Snow, snow, snow. Snow is falling down. Snow, snow, snow. Saan? Of course, nagaganap yung skiing activity.
いつも通らない商店街の隅古い喫茶店の
Lumalakas yung snow na dito. Pero ang sarap pala ng views.
水を置いてくメニューも見ないで
So guys, for those who are interested sa mga ganitong klaseng adventures, you can actually rent. Pero hindi ako nagsisisi because I'm so happy right now. It's a really a good decision na winter season and to spend my birthday here in Australia. At yun nga, mas maganda is ito, nataon na winter season, so na-try natin itong snow effect nila dito.
人少しずつ飲み干
Ayan guys, though hindi naman ako naiinit sa mga pinagagawa nila dito. Naku, baka dumire-diretso ako na dun sa pinakababa. Ang lakas lang maka-winter sonata ng views natin today. Parang from this kind of setup. Tapos, yung mga nasa paligid pa natin ng mga puno-puno ng the snow. Para tayong yung mga nasa Korean novela na may mga pa-winter effect.
シミになったテーブル誰かの忘れ物古い週刊誌時計の針だけが律儀に動いてるそれはそれでいいそれで十分さ何も生み出さない午後があっても
So yun guys, so hope you enjoy our winter experience here sa Mount Buller as much as I did. So I am very happy na naka-experience tayo ng ganitong season here in Melbourne, Australia. So kung gusto niyo guys na ma-experience ang ganitong klaseng winter season here in Melbourne, punta na kayo usually ng July because July to August, usually yun yung mga winter season nila. At sa Mount Buller, ito lang yung tipong ganito kayo makakaranas ng snow dito. Kasi itong Mount Buller ay yung mataas na lugar nila dito sa Melbourne, wherein ito nga, you get to have a chance to experience a snow day for your trip here dito sa Melbourne.
思うよあったかいって
Welcome to Mount Buller! Ayan guys, so nagpupunta tayo sa Mount Buller para ma-experience ng snow. Masyado na tayong makape for this time. So this time, maganda naman tayo mag-hot chocolate for $10. Tapos yung binigay lang naman na s'mores. This is just a marshmallow. It's $1. Oh my God.
店が一つあればいいまだ君のいない午後入れたてのコーヒーと
Grabe guys, sobrang kapal na ng yelo dito.
飲み干してゆく少しずつ
So, I'm very happy, I'm glad, and babalik ulit tayo sa Melbourne. So, meron pa tayong 3 days na natitira before going back to Manila. So, ayun. So excited!
今は思うよあったかいってあったかいって
Bugs tayo ngayon mga kapatid sa pag-slay at todo araw dito sa snow experience natin dito sa Melbourne. Oops, teka lang at marami pa tayong mapupuntahang ganaps dito lang yan sa travel adventures natin sa Melbourne. Bye!